Introduction. Welcome to today's lecture on endocrinology. In this session, we will explore various topics related to reproductive health and the intricate signaling pathways that regulate this crucial aspect of human physiology. We will delve into the molecular mechanisms behind hormone secretion, the impact of genetic mutations on fertility, the role of hormones in bone health, and much more. So, buckle up and get ready to dive into the fascinating world of endocrinology. Let's begin our journey by investigating the intricate signaling pathways involved in the GnRH receptor. GnRH, or gonadotropin-releasing hormone, plays a central role in the regulation of reproductive hormone secretion. We will explore the various steps involved in the activation of the GnRH receptor and its downstream effects on the hypothalamic-pituitary-gonadal axis. Understanding this pathway is crucial for unraveling the complexities of reproductive endocrinology. Moving on, we will focus on an endocrine disorder that affects millions of women worldwide, polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS. PCOS is characterized by hormonal imbalances and disrupted ovulation, leading to infertility and other metabolic complications. We will delve into the dysregulation of the hypothalamic-pituitary-gonadal axis in PCOS and explore the underlying molecular mechanisms that contribute to the pathogenesis of this syndrome. Shifting gears, we will now shift our attention to male infertility and the impact of androgen receptor mutations. Androgen receptors play a vital role in male reproductive function, and alterations in their structure or function can lead to impaired spermatogenesis and infertility. We will explore the various types of androgen receptor mutations and discuss their effects on male fertility, along with potential therapeutic interventions. Next, let's turn our focus to the effects of estrogen on bone remodeling and skeletal health. Estrogen is not only crucial for reproductive function but also plays a significant role in maintaining bone density and preventing osteoporosis. We will examine the molecular mechanisms by which estrogen influences bone remodeling and delve into the intricate signaling pathways involved. Understanding these processes is vital for developing interventions to combat age-related bone loss and skeletal disorders. Moving forward, we will explore the emerging role of kisspeptin in the regulation of reproductive hormone secretion. Kisspeptin is a neuropeptide that acts as a key regulator of the hypothalamic-pituitary-gonadal axis, controlling the release of GnRH and subsequent hormone secretion. We will discuss the mechanisms by which kisspeptin exerts its effects and its potential therapeutic implications in the management of reproductive disorders. Now, let's dive into the fascinating area of hormonal control of reproduction and explore the diagnostic potential of inhibin and activin as biomarkers for reproductive disorders. Inhibin and activin are specialized peptide hormones that are intricately involved in multiple stages of reproductive physiology, exemplifying their vital roles in maintaining proper reproductive function. Firstly, let's discuss the production and regulation of inhibin and activin. Inhibin is primarily secreted by the ovaries in females and the testes in males, while activin is produced by various tissues including the gonads, pituitary gland, and placenta. Both hormones are regulated by the hypothalamus, anterior pituitary gland, and gonads through a complex interplay of hormonal feedback mechanisms. Now, let's focus on the diagnostic applications of inhibin and activin. Researchers have discovered that alterations in the levels of these hormones can serve as valuable indicators of reproductive disorders. For instance, abnormal elevations in inhibin levels have been associated with ovarian granulosa cell tumors, while reduced inhibin concentrations have been observed in cases of premature ovarian failure or ovarian reserve decline. Similarly, abnormal variations in activin concentrations have been linked to conditions such as polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, and testicular cancers. By monitoring the levels of inhibin and activin, healthcare professionals can gain insights into the presence, severity, and progression of various reproductive disorders. Not only do these biomarkers aid in early detection and diagnosis, but they also assist in the monitoring of treatment response and disease recurrence. In conclusion, the evaluation of inhibin and activin as diagnostic markers for reproductive disorders provides us with a deeper understanding of the complex web of hormonal control in reproduction. By comprehending their production, regulation, and clinical significance, medical professionals can leverage these biomarkers to enhance the diagnosis and management of reproductive disorders, thereby improving patient outcomes. Now, let's unravel the mysteries surrounding the initiation of puberty and the remarkable role of the hypothalamus in this process. The intricate coordination between the hypothalamic neuropeptides and the gonadotropin-releasing hormone is essential for the timing and onset of puberty. We will discuss the various factors that influence this process and shed light on the intricate neuroendocrine pathways involved. Endocrine disruptors, which are environmental contaminants, have been the subject of growing concern due to their potential impact on reproductive health. These disruptors, through their interference with hormone function, have been associated with a range of reproductive disorders, including infertility, developmental abnormalities, and other related conditions. In this section, we will delve into the various types of endocrine disruptors and examine the intricate mechanisms through which they exert their effects on reproductive physiology. Understanding these complex interactions is vital for addressing and mitigating the potential consequences of exposure to endocrine disruptors on reproductive health. Now, let's shift our focus to the intriguing field of reproductive behavior and examine the crucial role that hypothalamic neuropeptides play in this process. These neuropeptides, such as oxytocin and vasopressin, are integral for fostering social connections, promoting maternal behaviors, and sustaining normal sexual function. By delving into the complex neural circuits operating in these intricate processes, we will uncover how imbalances in neuropeptide levels can potentially give rise to various reproductive behavioral disorders. Join me as we unravel the mysteries behind the hormonal control of reproductive behavior in this fascinating journey. In the realm of sex determination and differentiation, a captivating interplay of genetic factors meticulously governs an individual's sexual fate. Through this section, we shall delve into the captivating genetic mechanisms underlying these processes. The orchestration involves an intricate web of sex-determining genes, cascades of hormone signaling, and the subsequent development of primary and secondary sexual characteristics. By unraveling these fascinating pathways, we aim to shed light on the complex genetic regulation that underlies the fabric of our reproductive biology. Moving into the realm of pregnancy, we will now focus on the placenta and its crucial endocrine function. The placenta plays a central role in maintaining pregnancy and orchestrating fetal development. We will explore the various hormones produced by the placenta, including human chorionic gonadotropin and progesterone, and discuss their essential roles in pregnancy maintenance and fetal growth. In our final topic, we will explore the influence of melatonin on reproductive physiology. Melatonin, often referred to as the hormone of darkness, is not only involved in regulating sleep-wake cycles but also exerts profound effects on reproductive function. We will discuss the mechanisms by which melatonin influences various aspects of reproductive physiology, including sexual maturation, gonadal function, and fertility. As our journey into the intricate world of endocrinology comes to a close, we have explored a wide range of topics, from the molecular signaling pathways of GnRH to the influence of melatonin on reproductive physiology. Each topic has shed light on the complexities of hormone regulation and its impact on reproductive health. We hope this comprehensive overview has provided you with valuable insights and enhanced your understanding of this fascinating field. Remember, the study of endocrinology holds the key to unraveling the mysteries of human reproduction and improving the lives of countless individuals.